guys, I got some slime last night, and I put it in the fridge over. Wait, no, I didn't put it in the fridge over. I let it do this. Okay, guys, I gotta remove this. You hear that sound? So disgusting.